Have you ever wondered, what exactly is olive oil? You see it in every kitchen and drizzled over salads, but what makes this liquid gold so special? Unlike most cooking oils extracted from seeds or nuts using chemicals and high heat, olive oil is basically a fresh fruit juice. It is made simply by pressing whole olives, extracting the natural oils hidden inside the fruit. The most famous and highest quality type is extra virgin olive oil, often called EVOO. To earn this title, the oil must be cold-pressed, meaning no heat or chemicals are used during extraction. This preserves its incredible flavor, aroma, and its powerful health benefits. Speaking of health, it is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has been a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet for thousands of years, long praised for protecting the heart and reducing inflammation. From ancient Roman empires to your modern dinner table, it remains one of the healthiest and most delicious ingredients on earth. What is your favorite dish to make with olive oil? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Pop Central.